Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and again I am back to teach you lecture number 2, standard 1, chapter 16, and the chapter name is Plants Around Us. Now before that we will take a short look at what we have learned in the first videos. But before that, again I am requesting you, please just be at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the ludos, carom, video games. In fact, you can enjoy the quality time with your family members. You can complete your homework also, which you received on online classes. If you don't complete it, then please complete it, because whenever the school will open, I have all the records and I will go through the date wise, and I want all the homework. So whenever you are starting any chapter, please put the date is very important, and then the chapter 16 or whatever chapter is there, and the chapter name, and then you will start the new words and then exercise. So you have to write like this way in my subject at least, and homework please complete it, and the previous and the till 15 if you have not completed, then please complete it all the homework. Now we have learned about the many things in first videos, like about the garden. What is a garden? Then there are many kinds of plants in a garden. There are many plants. Yes, different types of plants are there in a garden. Some plants are flower. So some plants have what? Some plants have flower, and it makes what? It makes the garden looks very beautiful. So with the help of flowers, the garden it looks very pretty and attractive and very good. If you look around, if you once when you will go outside and when you will look around you will find that many plants are growing everywhere. Means different types of plants are there which are growing around everywhere. It makes what? It makes the earth looks beautiful, and it can give us fresh air. So plants is very important in our life. In fact, plants are of different types. Plants have what? Plants have a different types of types. Like some plants are big, some are small. So there are different types of plants are there. So tall and big plants are called trees. Tall and big plants are called trees. So if I have a tall and big plants, that trees is called what? That plants are called trees. Like banyan trees, neem tree. These all is what? It's a big and tall plant. This is trees. Then rose, pumpkin, hibiscus. This is what? It's a small plants. These also plants. So homework I have given in the first videos on page number 67. That here you have to write down the 5 trees names, and you have to take the help of your parents. Please do it in your book, no need to do it in copy. Next is what? That we get medicines from a lot of trees, such as the neem tree. So we can get the medicine also from the plant. So that's why plant is very important. The clothes which we wear, the pencils, the books, the copies, these all we get from the plants. So in fact plant gives us medicine also, like the neem plant, tulsi plant. These all is what? It gives us the medicine also. Now, plants is what? It helps us and useful in many ways. First of all, it gives us food. What the foods we are eating, the healthy food, delicious food, the green vegetables, these all what we can get from the plants. Next, it gives us shade. The shade, if suppose when we are going outside and too much hot is there, sunlight, then with the in shadow of trees we are sitting and we are going. So it gives us shade also. It gives us food and shelter to birds and animals. The plant is what? It is not helpful for human beings only. It is helpful for the animals and for the birds also. Plant it is not help to any animals, but it can help us the plants and birds and animal also. How? It provides us the food and the shelter to animals and birds. It provides plants provide the food and shelter to the birds and animals. Trees make the air clean. If the lots of trees are there, then what? It makes the air means around the air is there, air is present in all around us, and it makes what? It makes the air clean. It can kill the germs in the air, and then it can make the air fresh and clean. So what? Plants and trees is very important, and it makes the air clean. Plants need sunlight, water, air and soil to grow. So suppose if we want to grow some plants, for that we need the sunlight, water, air and soil to grow. So suppose when we are planting any trees, then we planting outside so that it can take the sunlight from the sun. Then we are putting the water every day so that it can grow strong and it looks beautiful. Air it can get from, because air is all around us, and soil where we are just putting. So these all makes the plants to grow, so it is very useful. So plant gives us the following. So you can see the page number 67. The plant is what it is helpful in many ways, and it gives us wood, and with the help of wood we can make the different types of furniture and stylish furniture also. So it helps us to decorate our house also. Plants helps us to decorate and to looks beautiful also, to house look beautiful. It makes the windows, doors, so it makes what it looks beautiful and makes good. So plants what it gives us wood, which makes from with the help of wood it makes the furniture. Then paper, plant gives us paper also. With the help of paper, the books which read, the copies in which we are copying, we are writing. So these all is what it makes from the plant. So whenever we are just tearing the page, please don't tear. If you can tear, then it means what the plant is cutting, and if the plant is cutting, then it's very bad for the environment, because if plant is there, then we can get the fresh air. Next is page number 68. When many trees grow together in a large area, it is called a forest. Forest is what? When many trees are grown together. If the lots of trees are there, 15, 16, 18, 19, that means 100 and 200 trees are there which grows together in a very large area, means in a very large land is there. So that area is called what? Forest. That area is called forest. Again I am repeating that what is forest. When many trees grow together, when many trees grow together in a large area, in a very big and large area, it is called a forest. It is called a forest. And we should not cut the trees, because it harms the animal and it harms the human beings and it harms the environment also. So we should not cut the trees. We should look after our forest, and we should look always our forest, and we have to grow the plants so that our environment become fresh, good, and it looks pretty and it gives us fresh air. So your chapter has completed. I hope that you had understood the chapter. New words are there. You have 3 new words: garden, tree and forest. If you have the book, then please write down from the book new words. And exercise I am going to tell you in the video, so just go through the exercise. Just take out your pencil. Write T for true and F for false. If sentences are true, then write T. If sentences are false, then write F. Then first, all plants are same, then it's wrong. Then write F, because some plants are big and some plants are small. Plants are useful to us, then write T, true. Yes, it is very useful to us. C, plants make the air clean. Yes, it's true. Then write T, it makes the air clean. D, we should cut down trees. It's false. No, we should not cut the trees. We should look after our forest. Then write T. We should always look our forest. So first A is false, B is true, C is true, D is false and E is true. Next, second number, tick the correct answer. What do we find in a garden? Small plants, trees, flowers, or all of these? Answer is all of these. Second is, what are tall and big plants called? Then tall and big plants are called trees. The first answer, first option, trees. C number, what do plant gives us? Wood, paper, food, all of these. Then answer is all of these. Plants provide us all of these. Next page, page number 69, D number. What do plants give animal? Food, shelter, both of these or none of these? Then the answer is 3 number. Food and shelter, both the plant gives us to animal. E, last. What do plants need to grow? Air and water, soil, sunlight and all of these. Then the answer is all of these. Then your first A answer is 4, B answer is first, C answer is 4, D answer is 3 and E answer is 4. Your exercise also completed till chapter 15. If you have your work has completed in your fair copy, then you can write down the chapter 16 in your fair copy. First of all, you can put the date, then chapter 16, then chapter name, and then first of all write the new words. You have the 3 new words: garden, tree and forest, and then after you can go through the exercise, the true false, and tick the correct option. Question answer I will upload on the website of Fortford International School. Till that, please again I will back to teach you the next class. Till that, thank you and have a nice day.